Your super lightweight mixed martial arts division. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, mixed martial arts division. Introducing first, fighting out of the red corner, an amateur boxer and mixed martial artist with a combined record of 3-2. He stands about 5 feet 7 inches tall, representing the Ruthless Sports Academy and fighting out of New Kingston, St. Andrew, Nikolai Wolverine Reed.
Left them in a Africa sting. Them vex to me, I still do when you some Italy. No nonsense. Bad man, all I want it in a empty. Look at it, put it in a when you're 20. She look at me as frenzy, like she's a frenzy. People left on the ground, people them see. Put it in a empty. When you're 20, and them yard me as frenzy. I miss them intensely. People left on, people them see. Them let them spread out fast, head out and spread out and run. Come through like mouth and long, can they out and done them and done. Pass up, but like they go and jump. Can't have them out and down side. They back and reach spread out and plumb. Wonder close and knee, down close and beat, close and deep.
Watch it.
Close and sweep, pull up and lick them, close and sleep.
And now, introducing his opponent, fighting out of the blue corner, an amateur mixed martial artist with a record of 0-0. He stands 5 feet 4 inches tall, representing the Not Nice MMA gym, fighting out of Ontario's St. Anne, Raheem Muscle Bishop.
Bishop in the building. Watch again. This is my favorite part for the whole night. Watch out now. Round one, people. Round one is about.
Man, that could be not dancing dance and over in a jolly part. In a bit of a second, I call it night. Don't touch up scan. You don't know me. This is super cat sound. When we add up, Mac the Max man. Sing it, pass it, kick it up, you know what's man.
Yeah. Now that fighter looks serious. Andrew, what do you think? This look like say.
This is the first MMA event this evening. You know MMA mixed martial arts. They do everything.
Like kicking, thumping, flicking, wall and when you call it submission.
Go hard, man. These fights can be over in a minute. Second.
So you have a favorite just by looking.
Well, you know, so I reserve that though because you don't want nobody to.
No, but look pan thing there.
Nikolai has got some experience, and we have to look on the experience of Nikolai. He's sharp.
Yes. See that?
Yes.
That's the aggressive move. That's it.
This is where Nikolai shines on the mat. This is where Nikolai shines, I tell you. He shines on the ground, my friend.
This thing takes a lot of strength.
Yes.
So they might be fighting like this now in the first round, and by the next round, all that strength. Lord. This.
He's trying to break him off and he's inside mount right now, trying to get onto he's at full mount. He's now in full mount, and I can see where Bishop is not really doing the right thing. He's supposed to be holding onto his man and trying to shrimp out of his guard. But
you listen to the ring them.
I can see where Bishop is on the defense and doing very good. Nikolai has, and he's back on his feet.
No, watch
out for those knees. Those knees are coming.
Andrew, listen carefully. Hear they're shouting, don't make him get a lot there. I think get that headlocking done, you know. You know that, don't you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Both guys are seeming so sharp.
Yeah, man,
At this point, Mr. Bishop has not thrown any telling punches as yet or hits. And he is all over his man. I think he's mauling him. Massive knees. He has those massive knees.
See that?
Oh. And the referee has called it.
What?
Is that a... No, he has not called it. He has gotten a serious blow to the nuts. Oh my God.
Listen.
He has time to recover. 5 full minutes to recover. Oh my God. 5 full minutes to recover, man. That was a vicious knee to the nuts of Mr. Bishop. Go ahead.
Andrew, let's discuss this now. Andrew, let's discuss this. A while ago, you realize when you try to get him at the headlock, they keep saying, don't get to the, don't pull it, and then can get to that, him feels he have a chance. Lay himself careless and then the man goes so boom. What? He said it was an inadvertently knee to the grind. So you telling me a while ago?
In other words, it's an accident.
At the first, man,
You mean accident? You never leave his bike.
So yeah, drive and just crash without no reason.
Well,
so it's a non-intentional
hit to the groin.
But when they from big TV, right?
Yeah.
When they get a lick in IC, the coach now have to go put some ice on his seat and rub it with the ice.
Well, I never said that yesterday, but they just give them time to recover.
You know,
recovery time, and he has all of 5 minutes.
Why?
To recover.
If I laugh,
it's up to him if he wants to continue now, but he has all of 5 minutes to continue.
Andrew, that's a farmer strategy too, you know.
Actually,
I'll let me see it cooling can't see the rest of that time.
Anybody ever licking your nuts yet?
No, sir.
Well, very suggestive, but you ever get a blow up? I mean, you ever get a impact?
Just leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Yeah.
Let me see this alone. Leave it alone.
Let me see the fighters them. Man.
Thank you, Jesus. We sit down and talk. I don't know me a fight. Look pretty out there, brother.
No, it's not easy at all.
No, sir.
But we must admit though, Nikolai has some experience. He has fought guys in Jamaica.
Watch it.
He has fought guys, some of the best guys in Jamaica, in RFL. He has fought at Imran Hall, lost to that guy. But there's this guy from out of Canada that I know that he fought, and he's very good strategic kickboxer, and he's managed to take him down. I think I was RFL 3.
Yeah,
that was quite an upset.
Realize what one? Yes, man.
Just want to shout out to our sponsors in the interim. AVM Signature Creations by Ashmi. Not Nice MMA, rough and ready.
Win some Shansen, cramp up.
Egas Ambulance, we love our members. And Dr. Phil Entertainment.
Somebody say you must read and comments. It's not fear
Nelson
fighting. Please stop the fight. That's hurt. Well, let's say I say that stop the fight.
Oh my God! I don't think it's gonna continue, guys. I don't think it's gonna continue.
The people on the live.
What are we gonna call that one? I don't know how we're gonna rule that one. Will we rule it on?
What is that? Technical kick out?
We will have to hear from the judges how they will rule that one. This is a very technical one.
Dr. Phil, come before. I can't read them.
We need at this point. I think we need the paramedics to come to the
He's in pain.
And
Joseph says he's in pain. Oh my God. Jackie says I feel it for him. That's what she said. Jackie, that sound wrong. Andrew, on a serious level, somebody on the live, me call Jackie says she feel. And Jackie's a woman, who Jackie feel? And I'm going to keep it nice.
You know, so there's a who feels it knows it. I wonder if Jackie knows. I don't know. This is a very exciting event though. I must tell you, we are having one of the only events that we have ever had in announcing winner by retirement TKO Nikolai Wolverine Reed.
Wolverine up, hot. Yes, sir.